Greetings to everybody where they watch me. But it be like say now when Tonto Dikeh love triangle, it be like say the thing don't scatter totally. Because now no say recently she and her lover Kpokpogri, they just did they fight anyhow. The man go come outside talk say she do this one. She said go come outside talk say she do that one. And this one now all join up to wait to say the man they claim say Tonto Dikeh cheat on her. And make na no forget those of now wey they follow me on I go remember say I talk say this man talk say he get evidence and he go bring am out to come show the world say now wetin Tonto do be this. I dey here they sit down on my own na there I see say this man don't release the evidence when they talk about to my people abeg. If na see as Tonto Dikeh dey beg man, I no even believe say our king go fit kneel down dey cry dey in fact this guy the thing really pain him. It shows say this woman really love this Kpokpogri of a person. But this man now they claim say him na very peaceful person and from the start of this relationship he tell Tonto say he know what drama. So only for am to come see say Tonto dey sleep with person and I say come dey try challenge her before we go see auntie don run go clear all her chat o. She no want make they catch her say she dey cheat. My people beg make una join me watch.
Please, if I beg you like this to be with me, how much more do I need to keep begging you? I'm so exhausted. Please.
So why did you think walking away will not give me more peace?
Because I can give you peace.
No, you can't.
I can't.
I've tried.
No, we didn't try.
See, let me tell you, from day one, it was not even up to 2 weeks. We started having crisis. Can't you see it yourself? A relationship that is not up to 3 months.
It can work.
You see the crisis.
It can work.
See me, it's like you don't know me. I'm a very peaceful person. Anything that would threaten my peace, I'll just run away. I told you right from day one. That, babe, please, I'm a very peaceful person. I've been just using that word. If I see that my peace will be threatened, I'll just run away. So I don't want to die young. Anything that will break or destroy my peace, I don't want it. No. You don't need to cry because you caused all these things that are happening. I told you right from day one. If I didn't tell you, that would be a different thing. I told you.
Oh, thank God. Thank God, help me. Help me, God.
The man came to your room 2:30 in the morning. Early in the morning, he told you, I'm at your door. There was no communication again till 6 minutes past 8 in the morning, and you are asking me to think otherwise.
If he slept in my room, would I be saying good morning by 8 o'clock? If he slept in my room?
He's the one who said good morning. You said what a night.
Yeah. So if he said good morning, would he be saying it when he slept in my room?
You cannot sleep in your room. Some people can just come and spend time and just go.
Prince, I've told you the truth.
That is not the truth.
I have told you the truth.
Because if you wanted to...
I have told you my truth. I have told you my truth. Nothing happened. But if you want to do this your way...
If you told me your truth, why did you delete your messages?
Because I was scared. Because I was so scared. I didn't know how to explain it to you.
Now wow, see as I even can't begin pity Tonto. This girl don't cry out all her blood. I'm not even sure say remaining water will even still dey inside her eyes. Now so this love thing dey hot person like this. But I won't just decide say, be like say this our auntie, she no get luck with me. Because now you go there with this one, you go show say you love the person. Only all of a sudden, we go here say the marriage don't crash. Thank God say this one never even lead to marriage. You see wetin don dey happen. But now, wow, this Kpokpogri self and the one way you do it, e even shock me. You no suppose come outside, come they show this thing, say, okay, fine, we know say you get evidence. But I beg, I need to ask you one question. What be your sole purpose of recording this thing in the first place? If not, be say you won't use this thing, take what's not going to call her, blackmail this lady. Because you and your girlfriend, your so-called honor, they talk. Fine, she do something and she they beg you and you accept. I beg, why be say you can't carry phone, go they hide, they record the whole thing. It means say you self you get bad plan, but as this one happening, make her show and say our tonto she know they sleep until self carry her matter come and say she no go let this case die. Say this leaked video where Kpokpogri post so. Say this one na pass something and something wey don old. I can't they want auntie. Since when 3 months turn to old something because on a relationship all of us know say innovative. The thing just start now all of a sudden now on a don't come break up. But she they talk say nah she dey like they said nothing they do her she dey fine and okay. Say whatever Kpokpogri they bring up, make we no believe and say in just won't spoil her own. And say in fact she dey very happy, say God save her. Say if say she go marry this man and say the whole thing for even worse. But now wow, Tonto Dikeh I don't see win for guy's hand. I can't dey wonder, be na only you even be woman for this life. But it be like say this man, say this Kpokpogri of a guy, your own self dey your body. Because now you they claim say you want peace, you want peace. Person wey want peace, I'm not sure say you go come outside. Come they post different, I no go surprise say sooner or later say you go still even post video. This one be saying na tape we dey hear now. So now another one you go carry come. Oh God, just allow this thing rest. Or na two don't go on her way. And she no do anything about am, she no talk anything about am. So why be saying now you won't come carry this whole drama for head? Like saying now this breakup come they paying you pass. I be because of say waiting you no gain too much money for her hand. Be na waiting come make you now dey vex about this kind of thing. But I sure say for Tonto Dikeh next life, she no go. In fact, she go just decide to come and split because they can't breakfast where this girl don't chop. The thing don't to make na they pity her. And me, I go just advise you, make you just go join Reverend Sister for your own peace. So fine, we know say you don't book, but make you say you get same mind. The best thing na to leave men alone because if like say men now, they just they target you. And I don't know be na you as a person say na you self get wahala. Because as the matter be now, we don't even know who to believe. Then na you will go believe. Then na Kpokpogri will go believe. We don't even know who won't follow. But anyway, this one has something we say 12 now supposed to sit down, sort out this whole thing jejely. Not be about coming here. You go post this one go post, and I go just they spoil on herself. So it better make an end them now. Now waiting I get for na be this today. My people, if you not get anything to talk about this one, make it write them inside the comment section. Make it stay tuned for our next story.